Hello, I'm teacher Victor, and today I'm gonna cook an spider croissants. Let's do it! Okay, I'm gonna present the instruments and the ingredients that I'm gonna use. Let's go! This chocolate is very cute, very yum yum. This puff pastry. This thing like a fork. This knife. One egg and one glass. And baby Victor, it's look me. And we need to do good because baby Victor gonna eat this croissant. Let's go. Okay, we have the puff pastry oven. And now I'm gonna cut this. Okay, let's go. This, okay, nice, easy peasy lemon squeezy. And now this movement, easy movements. You see, easy peasy lemon squeezy. You know it. And this. No. Now we need to cut chocolate, okay? And we have this, and let with chill cut, and like this now. Pound, okay? Pound, okay? Pound, okay? And now we put this chocolate on the big part of the triangles, and now roll. Oh shit! Roll. And this, it's not very cute, but it's good. And this movement of all of puff pasta. Okay, we have these croissants, so beautiful, so cutie. Okay, and now we're gonna use the egg and the glass. Okay, easy. Look that. Okay, now cook. And now with the easy moment, easy peasy, grand peasy. Oh, beautiful. Now and the instrument still like a fork. Now remove. Woohoo!
This space was offered by teacher Victor.
Okay, we have the egg removed, and now with this simple moment, this is a moment. More, and all the croissants, all croissants. That's good. Now we have the eggs on the croissant, but now I'm gonna cook this chocolate. No, a little bit of chocolate. Good. Ketchup. Ketchup. Sorry, I'm not strong. Ketchup. And in the sauce. And now I'm gonna put it on the microphone. This. Approximate and now talk with the hummus, play the ukulele. Oh my god. Oh. It's time for cooking. Let's do it. Now I put the croissants on the oven. and I'm going to do 1070 grams, and we wait at 30 minutes approximately, and in these 30 minutes we can play the ukulele with the hummus.
Thank you for everything.
Perfect. And now we can put this chocolate in the croissant like this. No, a little bit. Only a little bit of chocolate. But chill, you know. Easy peasy. That was. And that's it. That was spooky croissants. So nice.